Some days, the simplest things bring the biggest comfort. A slice of bread, a little sauce, a handful of toppings, and suddenly you created an Italian moment. Before we jump into the recipe, stay with me until the end. The next chapter of my life will take us across the world. A little passata rustica poured right into the bowl. Nothing fancy, just the kind of comfort that feels just like home. About a tablespoon or two of extra virgin olive oil. And we don't fuss, we just pour until it feels right. And this is a must, a dash of Italian oregano, straight from the homeland, bringing that little taste of tradition into every bite. The kind of flavor I grew up with. A pinch of salt, nothing more, just enough to brighten the passata and make every flavor come alive. And for balance, a touch of black pepper. All the ingredients are in. Now we whisk, letting everything come together. Time to build our simple pizza. A couple of teaspoons of sauce on each slice, spreading that rich Italian comfort from edge to edge. Now the slices are ready for your favorite topping, and here is mine. I know, anchovies aren't everyone's favorite, but for me, they bring a little taste of home. Skip them if you don't like them. Muffaletta, salty, briny, and Sicilian. Flame roasted red peppers go on next. They're one of my favorite toppings, but you can substitute with whatever you like. Find me someone who doesn't like cheese on their pizza. Buona fortuna, perché in Italia we'd say that person simply does not exist. Though, certo, we do have pizza marinara, our beloved cheeseless classic. It starts simple: bread, cheese, and then whatever toppings you love. A little fantasia, a little gusto, and it becomes yours. Pop it in the oven at 350 Fahrenheit or at 180 Celsius and wait for that cheese to hit that perfetto golden moment. You'll know it when you see it. Look at these simple slices of bread that turned into a delicious little meal. Perfetto for movie night or any time you want to feel a bit Italian. And speaking of feeling Italian, let me bring you into the next chapter of my life. I was born in Lausanne, but without Swiss citizenship, my father registered me in Cernusco sul Naviglio, the town that held his childhood, his memory, and now my name. My parents, two dreamers with brave hearts, held me close as they stepped onto the Saturnia and sailed towards a new world, carrying more hope than belongings. We arrived at Pier 21 and traveled by train to Ottawa, where family waited for us with open arms and a grateful heart. Winter in Lausanne was soft and gentle, a cold that never truly stung. But Ottawa, Ottawa met us with a fierce winter the moment we arrived. My parents held me even closer, feeling that shock in their bones, wrapping me in their warmth as they stepped into a world so much harsher than the one they had left behind. My first Canadian Christmas was pure magic. A tree as tall as a giant, sparkling with tinsel and colorful ornaments that lit up the whole room. And as the first daughter, the first granddaughter, the first niece, I was cherished and spoiled like a princess. Those moments still glow in my memory, soft and golden, like the Christmas lights of that very first winter. From the end of 1959 through the beginning of 1963, we lived through springs that smelled of new beginnings when the air felt fresh and full of promise. Summers were spent with picnics by the lake and playing in the sand. Little moments I still hold close. On weekends, Father was always there, spending time with us and filling those days with the kind of moments that stays in your heart forever. As autumn arrived, I never liked the cold air, yet Mom bundled me up anyway. And when winter arrived with that freezing cold air, Mom made sure I never felt it. Many springs and warm summers went by, each one leaving a little glow in my heart. And let's not forget the cold winters. Mom always made sure I never felt them. And Father made sure to keep me close, his presence wrapping me in a safety only he could give. And those magical Christmases filled with joy and family, the kind of memories that stays with you. I turned 5, and it was going to be my last birthday in Canada because once again, another adventure was planned, not by me. Those were the days when life changed quickly, carried by the decisions of grown-ups and the dreams they held. But that part of the story will have to wait. So my friends, make sure to come back for the next delicious recipe and the rest of my story. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. Ciao!